96 degrees for our friends in Bakersfield, 117 for Death Valley. But we are starting out your day in the low 80s and upper 70s. Boulder City at 77 degrees right now. 86 in Laughlin, and starting out your day in the low 70s for Pahrump. Now, planning on your day, we are going to see a bit of wind continuing here. That red flag warning not in place for southern Nevada. That's just north of us, including portions of Utah. But we do expect that breeze to continue through today. So fire danger still a possibility today. We see that humidity level in the single digits by the afternoon time, and those wind gusts will turn from about 10 miles per hour right now to up to 30 miles per hour as we work towards the afternoon. You'll see those sustained southwest winds close to 20 miles per hour through about 5 o'clock today. And you'll see those temperatures feeling very hot, 102 degrees by around noontime. That sunshine takes us to about 107 or 108 by the afternoon. For spots like Lake Mead, we are looking at the breezy conditions, potentially bringing those choppy waves as an issue for you at 106 degrees by around 4 o'clock there. But if you are looking for a bit of relief, Mount Charleston is where you'll have to head. We're looking at those upper 70s hitting by around 3 p.m. and you'll see the morning feeling very pleasant at 73 degrees. But you will want to remember we have those breezy to gusty conditions for those higher elevations as well. Lows overnight falling into the mid to upper 80s. Not a lot of relief from this heat. So 65 overnight for our local mountains, 81 overnight in Summerlin, and 86 overnight for Henderson. Here's a look at the super 7-day forecast. Close to 110 by tomorrow. Going to be another very hot day on tap. These temperatures are about 5 degrees or so above average. That continues through Monday with a daytime high of 110 degrees. The next chance of maybe even seeing a few raindrops and a very slight cool down comes Wednesday through Friday with 10% storm chances. Here, we just keep heating up. Here is a live look outside. We're starting out your morning feeling pretty toasty out there. We've now dropped to about 78 degrees for Las Vegas, but Harry Reid International Airport at 86, Spring Valley in the upper 70s, and now starting in the low 80s for Summerlin and Centennial Hills. We're getting a little bit of a break through most of the valley from those wind speeds, but still up to around 14 miles per hour near Lee Canyon this morning. Today's daytime high of 109 degrees. The sunnies and the water, both definitely necessary today, especially if you're spending more than a few minutes outside. You'll see those wind speeds decreasing by about 10 miles per hour, but we still could see the occasional gust today up to about 20. So planning on your day, we're going to see those mid to upper 80s through about 6 a.m., upper 90s by 10 a.m., and 106 by 2 o'clock. We are hotter than what we saw yesterday with lots of sunshine as well. Planning on your evening, if you have any late night Sunday plans, we're seeing those triple digits sticking around until about 9 o'clock. We'll be falling back into the mid to upper 90s by around 11 p.m. So it is a very warm evening ahead of us with clear skies continuing through those overnight hours. And tomorrow we get even hotter. We're looking at a daytime high close to 111 degrees for Las Vegas. This could be the first time we hit above 110 degrees for this year. Typically, we see the first 110 degree day right around July 1st. So we're actually about 10 days late from when we typically see that temperature. But again, these temps are well above average at the same time. So at 117 for our friends in Laughlin tomorrow and 108 in Pahrump. And we're talking about the drought. We're now under exceptional drought in Las Vegas and throughout southern Nevada. We are at least extreme drought. But here's the look at the precipitation possibilities in the next 6 to 10 days as we work towards midweek. We have a better outlook than typical. The pattern change bringing the slight possibility of maybe some monsoon moisture heading our direction. Here's a look at Futurecast models in play showing Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday we're staying mostly dry, but by Wednesday we're watching about a 10% storm chance moving into our region, and that lingers until we work until about Friday and Saturday. Much better chance for our local mountains to see those showers, but we're keeping it as a possibility. Here's the thing though, our temperatures are staying very hot, close to 107 degrees through Friday and into next weekend, and those overnights, Rachel, falling back into the 80s.